Namaste. Today we will look into the 14th Sloka in chapter 2. Mātrā-sparśās kaunteya śītoṣṇa-sukha-duḥkha-dāḥ āgamāpāyino'nityās tāṁs titikṣasva bhārata. Mātrā-sparśās kaunteya śītoṣṇa-sukha-duḥkha-dāḥ āgamāpāyino'nityās tāṁs titikṣasva bhārata. In the previous two slokas, Bhagavan had established that Atma or the Self is eternal and is different from the body. Just as the Self sees childhood, youth, old age, it also sees another body after this body perishes. Okay, but what about the happiness or pain that we experience? Bhagavan, anticipating a question from Arjuna, answers the following in this sloka. Mātrā means the senses, the sense organs. Sparśās meaning coming in contact with the objects. There are 5 senses of knowledge and they are called as jnanendriyās. What are the 5 jnanendriyās? One is ear, second one is skin, third one is eye, fourth one is tongue, and the fifth one is nose. The ear is able to hear and through which we can get knowledge, and it's therefore called shabda. With skin, you get knowledge through touch and it's called as sparsha. Through eye, you get to see a form and it is known as rupa. With tongue, you get to taste and it is called as rasa. With nose, you get to smell and it is known as gandha. So basically, the 5 jnanendriyās give us knowledge in the form of shabda, sparsha, rupa, rasa, gandha. Okay, so Bhagavan here says that mātrā-sparśās, meaning when the indriyas come in contact with the objects of their indriyas. For instance, when the ear comes in contact, say for a loud sound, then what happens? Hey kaunteya is Krishna calling Arjuna. Kaunteya here means Kunti Putra. śītoṣṇa-sukha-duḥkha-dāḥ. Shita meaning cold, Ushna meaning hot, Sukha happiness, Dukkha sadness. So when the indriyas come in contact with the objects, they give rise to experiences of hot and cold, and in turn happiness and pain. It is not that cold will always give happiness, purely depends on where we are. Bhagavan then continues saying that they are āgamāpāyino'nityās, meaning they come and go. They are anityās, they are impermanent, and so titikṣasva. Titikṣasva means tolerate them. So Bhagavan here answers that the pain or happiness that we experience is because of the indriyas or the senses coming in contact with the objects, and they are impermanent and therefore tolerate them. The sukha or dukkha are that of the body and mind and not that of the atma. Also, titiksha, which Bhagavan mentions here, is an important qualification for attaining moksha. We'll see more on that later. We'll continue again with the next sloka tomorrow. Dhanyavadaha.